Hello, everyone. Oh, no. That's not. Hello, everyone. This is Tartan Weekend, is it not? I've never seen just such, what we call it, low energy. Hello, everyone. Maybe it's the rain. Maybe it's the rain outside that's got everybody a little bit down. But we are Toyz Electronics, multi-generational black engineers I got to Syracuse at 15. Wole became a Tartan at 15, studying electrical and computer engineering. And Sean was actually his professor, right? So our goal is to democratize our process. Like, is there a formula to actually get young black engineers to schools like Carnegie Mellon and Syracuse at 15? Well, we actually on the cover of Pittsburgh Technology Council's magazine, Tech, and we talk a lot more about it. But yes, there is. So Gen Z is 70 million people, right? But the thing about Gen Z is it's the most diverse group of Americans. You have 49% people of color, 51% white, 33% of them are going to be in the workforce in the next few years, but they lack the technical skills that is leaving from the baby boomers, which is going to create $8.5 trillion in unrealized value over the next 6 years. It's a massive problem. I don't think that we are as shocked about that reality enough. So it's like, well, how do you solve this massive skills gap? Then when you look at the technical fields, AI, real-time 3D, video games, black and Hispanics, even though they're 43% of the population in Gen Z, they're only 15% of the workforce. So we built an immersive learning platform that's in a real-time 3D video game that integrates learning engineering, and we borrowed a tool from the Open Learning Institute, Taurus. And rather than use it the way they use it with Arizona State and Smart Sparrow, we actually use it in a video game that's on Xbox, iOS, macOS, tvOS, Android TV, WebGL, Google TV, and now even it's going to be on Fortnite. So you now have people's gameplay feed you insights on what they like to do, what careers they would have. Then you have an AI model that's developed here on campus, where we've also collaborated and completed a capstone with the Masters of Data Science program, where we're going to have equitable AI inputs, also consulting with HBCUs like Howard, like Texas Southern. Never done like that, right? So you bring in HBCUs, universities like Carnegie Mellon and Syracuse, and founders who have a real story of what we did to get here. Then also bring that into gameplay, and now you'd have the best insights on Gen Z. And how are we sure of that? Well, RK Mellon did a project-related investment December 2021. We were able to do $22,000 in revenue. Innovation Works, and I think Peter is here, they did an investment of 50 at that time and then 100 and now 150. We were able to get our users on the screen that says 100 to 8,400. That was a milestone. We're at 10,000 users now. We've gotten from 2 paying customers to 100 paying customers. City of Pittsburgh, PPG Paints, Hyundai. But most importantly are these universities like Penn State, New Kensington, where we actually have a 3D model, a simulation. You have interviews of the director, Sherry, who's also the person who owns the patent on on building aluminum in the F-150. People don't even know that about her. You learn about superheroes on our platform, so now you could be what you see, because these are tangible people as you become a superhero yourself. Syracuse is a customer. University of Chicago is a customer. We've even gotten students from HBCUs like Howard to get a PhD offer at University of Chicago after 2 years in our program. Obviously, I got to Syracuse 15, double major mechanical engineering economics, transferred to Howard. I'm also a Bison, won engineering competitions. Wole got here at 15. He was also on 20 under 20 Transforming Tomorrow with Peter Thiel. People like Figma, like Ethereum were in the same cohort as Wole, and graduated at 20 with an electrical and computer engineering degree, and also 2 minors in business. Dave was one of his professors, so he got a minor, first IDA class, entrepreneurship for creative industries, business administration, so 2 minors in Tepper. We also have Quincy, who's a longtime partner of mine in some of my other ventures. And he works with people like, Cardi B, Megan Thee Stallion, so that our ability to get to millions in Gen Z is understood. And then, obviously, Drew Davison, who helped us build the MVP of our product that allowed us to even get funding. So it's easy to see how everyone benefits from Toyz. So we want all of you to join us to empower Black and brown students. Let's make the future of work inclusive of everyone. And do come by. We have our flyers. We have a demo of our game. I have my card. We have our programs. You could talk about collaborations. We love collaborating with people on research. MIT Solve finalists, Anti-Racist Tech, IDEO, Design and Digital Thriving finalists. So we always love to collaborate, participate with people, and bring our insights so that we could spread the heart is in the work, and also the spirit of Andrew Carnegie and Booker T. Washington's work, upskilling former enslaved people, to now transform that to upskilling descendants of former enslaved people to be able to be in industries like AI, real-time 3D, advanced manufacturing, and a lot of things we do here on campus like robotics. Thank you very much.